Welcome back to spring. I know I'm doing this. This is like a Thailand dance. Thailand's a nice place for summer, and I can't wait for summer. But there is this tag called the spring transition. I'm gonna put together some mini skirt outfits because I own so many mini skirts, but the problem is I don't know how to style them. That is the biggest problem. So let's start putting those outfits together. Wham bam, yes man. Flying on to the springtime. Of course, we're gonna start with the most classic OG one true love. It is the denim skirt, without a doubt. And how to match denim? It is to match with more denim. It is to match it with this denim jacket. This jacket has such a cool phrase on its front and back. It's "catch me if you can." It sounds super dreamy and relaxed during this springtime. On the back, it has those detailed wing stitches, and onto the accessories. It is this Thor-inspired belt with those detailed metal hardware. It was €6 from my local thrift market find. Such a gem. And the shoes are those all-purpose sporty Yeezys from Adidas. And for bag, it's my tote bag that I use for school. Totally suitable for pickpockets in Europe, of course. During spring travels, we don't want to get robbed or pickpocket during this time. It's so bad because I've experienced it once. Another great option is to tuck a oversized hoodie into the denim skirt. For the shoes, I mismatched it with some loafers and slip-ons. And this is my new style, to have mismatched shoes. Okay, just joking. The shoes can really change the whole tone of the outfit. I picked out this baby pink hoodie to contrast it with my denim skirt. And look at the number of distressed holes on this hoodie. This is a style of telling the world that I need to stay cool from this upcoming spring, so some wind can go through, you know. Continuing with baby pink theme, I paired it with this cute pink magenta enveloped sling purse. To add this final touch to the skirt outfit, time to add some gold embellishing to this outfit. It is by adding this belt. Moving on. So instead of the pink soft girl look that we had before, we're opt for this fatty girl look. Our next fashion victim is this black hoodie. But this hoodie is a little bit too oversized, so I had a lot of problems smoothing it down my booty. I feel like this outfit is something that you will see on street style pictures and Tumblr posts. For the shoes, I decided to cover up my leg ronies for the colder days of the spring. I matched a similar bag with some silver hardware and black leather on it. Just try my best to continue the whole vibe of the outfit. If the days are getting even colder, I threw on a bomber jacket with some orange lining to give it this traffic cone vibe. And it kind of looked like Ariana Grande, a baddie Ariana Grande somehow. And then on to the next outfit. I'm such a hoe for blue outfits. Or am I just already in a really blue mood and being depressed too much since I have like no friends? I'm such friendship starfish to stay at home and just edit and study videos for most of the time. Anyways, the top that I picked is this super cool mix and match blouse and hoodie combos. This shirt also has some shoulder showing off action too. And you can even tie ribbons on the side to spice up this outfit. But maybe this outfit's not for school because shoulders are not allowed in school. I also added on this silver feather belt that has absolutely no use for cinching the waist. And I've thrown on this baseball looking jacket. And to finish off this outfit with some casual vibes, I throw on my white kicks. So for this next skirt, we're really moving up the game level because it has some floral knit patterns and a row of straight buttons down that skirt. I threw on this purple and orange lining bomber jacket, another traffic cone vibe again. So what's the best couple to match skirts with? Say it with me, kids. It's crop tops. This pink top also has a straight row of tortoiseshell buttons, and it somehow matches with the skirt's buttons since they're also all in a row, and it elongates this button line. This is my logic. I don't know if this logic makes sense. And for the bag, it's the same one from before, which is this pink envelope bag. Onto the shoes, it's those Puma x Fenty kicks. Continuing with this straight row buttons theme, I tucked in a super dark blue denim bodycon dress. If you guys remember and watch my videos, you guys would know this dress, one of my most worn and basic pieces. It also has a straight row of buttons and I repurposed it as a denim tank top. It also adds more different shades of blue and texture to this outfit. For the jacket and shoes, I matched on this red detailed cardigan to make this outfit less boring because blue is too cold already. I also changed up the way of carrying this bag. Instead of wearing it on the shoulder, I extended the chain and wore it as a crossbody bag. And I really love the chain that adds a lot of cool punked up vibes on the dress with buttons it kind of matches with. And mixing those styles together is the best to find your own thing. This next outfit is for a fit and flared leather skirt. So we don't have to suck in our stomach every single time when we put on a pencil skirt because that is such a social construct and we're just gonna try to be ourselves in spring. That's the new goal. I'm tired of doing it all the time. I reused my dark blue denim bodycon dress, tongue twister again, because the denim was pretty much black. It changes up the texture from denim to faux leather. And if it's feeling a little bit chilly, just throw on a leather jacket. For the accessories, it's a leather crossbody bag from Celine and the shoes are those extra as flats with those 2 buckles, and we shall call this outfit an outfit. So oh my, this is the second skirt and it is my favorite one, and it is a Taiwanese elementary school inspired skirt. The first option is basic plus white. Sorry, the burp. The white component is this crop top and the blue component is this denim jacket. So I guess blue and white is this color combination that also never goes wrong. And this denim jacket has a slogan on the back that says "Got no fears." It always reminds me of chasing my dreams with no fears. To continue this denim blue theme, I popped on those Vans slip-ons and onto the next outfit with the same skirt. My blue obsession is a little bit problematic in this video already, so I tied up a oversized corduroy sweater to define my waist during this spring. I slinged on my crossbody belt bag for a preppy, classy look, while keeping the shoes and skirt the same as before because we need to reuse pieces for fashion content. I don't have that much money to buy that much clothes, okay? And we're switching gears to some other colors because blue might be a little bit overwhelming for you guys and your eyes are probably tired of seeing me with blue. Well, this outfit I changed up the top with this jewel toned striped sweater. Well, but the sleeves are still dark blue, so please bear with me. Speaking of the bag, I switched to the previous bag that I had before, but changing up the position of the belt and making it into a fanny pack. To finish off this outfit, just to juxtapose with the skirt, I finished this outfit with a punk rock stud sandals. Those sandals have been sitting in my closet for such a long time because it has been winter for the past 4 months, I would say. So this next skirt is this green corduroy skirt. I feel like as I train my outfit aesthetics, I now have an instinct just to know what things pair nicely together. It's almost like a muscle you can train. And yeah, so one tip here is not to match over 3 colors in your outfit. So here the 3 colors are green, black, and beige. This cute black crop top is from Brand New again, and this corduroy blazer I thrifted for €1 from my local flea market again. And who cares? I'm just gonna reuse this Burberry fanny pack again because I love it. I don't want to mess up my hair in the wind because sometimes the spring wind can be really wacky. So I capped on my New York Yankees cap and threw on my trusty old Dr. Martens because it might rain during those springtime. So to this next outfit, we're keeping the skirt the same and add on some white because white gives us some of like angelic and less depressing vibes, and green also resembles new sprouting leaves in spring, so maybe. For the top, the base is this black crop top from before, and I layered over a white lace spaghetti strap top to make this outfit more interesting. And onto the jacket descriptions. This jacket is very cool with this mixed fabric situation. It has this windbreaker bomber jacket fabric and this swad fabric action going on here. And to finish up this outfit, a nice tip is to match your bag and your shoes. So here they are in the tan color scheme, which is the sling crossbody bag. Give some spotlight onto those shoes. They are legit portable carpets. Next skirt victim requires you to tuck in your stomach because it is a pencil skirt. Otherwise, I'll look like a 3-month pregnant person. I'm a nerd for red and black. As you guys probably know and can tell, it's a set of go-to colors that I go all the time. To set the tone for the whole outfit, I slip on this maroon baseball jacket. I love the silk touch and the wings on the back. And in fact, this jacket is also in the Catch Me If You Can series. The accessories, I threw on this knitted beret I got from Morocco and some classic slip-on loafers with some red details to match it with the rest of the red in this outfit. And another option for this next outfit is to add a sweatshirt over this red and pleated skirt for a new color combination trial and just testing out if people would like this outfit or not. If the public hates my outfit, it means that I'm trying my best to try something new for this new upcoming season. And to match the silver top, I opt for this silver in your face narrow luggage bag from Celine. In this next outfit, it really screams that I'm running out of original content because I can't think of any skirt outfits and just to fill up the minutes. And I still try my best, so please watch. It's literally me changing out the skirt into this leather one, but I love the bow detail that I'm able to tie up from the side and with the studs on the lining of the skirt. By the way, I also thrifted this skirt. I'm in love with all those thrifted items now. And let's just stop being an ass and finish this last outfit strong and stop being lazy without original content. I kind of went for this cute black and white region of style. This cute vibes come from this Moschino teddy bear t-shirt, and the black and white vibes come from this all-time favorite baseball jacket from St. Laurent. And somehow it also gives me this cool girl vibes. Hey guys, hope you guys find this helpful. There's tons of skirt options out there, so hopefully it gets you guys some inspiration and know how to style skirts, because this time styling my hair really helps a lot. And now I have more outfits for summer and spring, which is a good thing. And hope you guys enjoy your week. Thank you for watching and I love you all. See you guys next week. I don't know what it's up for next week, but let's get excited and surprise again. Bye!